band is something that anyone can do because there's so many different things that you can be a part of. You could pick up any instrument or anything. Like, I took up color guard because I was like, oh, I don't know how to play an instrument. So, color guard, it's a lot of fun.
Going into my freshman year, I was unable to march my saxophone, but I knew I really wanted to join marching band. So, I was offered to play in the pit, where I quickly learned a mallet instrument with the help and support of staff and students.
I come back to band every year for the thrill of the performance. Nothing beats being there with all your friends and knowing that you've accomplished something so big and so great.
Marching band has given me a really good work ethic because it's taught me to work smarter and harder, and my grades have really improved because of it.
I come back to band every year because of the people in it. The show music is really fun to do and the marching band overall is really enjoyable, but the new friends you can always make and meeting new people is just amazing because you all feel included and there's such a family connection between the people in band.
To describe band in one word, I would choose the word family.
If I were to describe band in one word, it would be passion.
To me, band is impactful.
I would describe it as incredible, and that's just because I love it so much.
Coming from a player's perspective, band really adds to the atmosphere of the games, especially after we score. It really gives like a positive vibe to everyone, all the coaches and players. It really helps Go Birds. Just go ahead now. If you want to call that, baby, just go ahead.